What's going on, guys? Prefix the Suffix here, and welcome back to Final Fantasy 15. Now, I wasn't able to do an intro at the start of this video because something kind of surprising happened. I did the stupid thing and started driving my car at night, so let's tune in and watch. Okay, be very, very quiet. I think we might be able to get out of here. Nice. Manual, go, 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 go.
Time to go.
Oh, man. Alright, whatever.
How many times? Enough talk. It's time.
Okay, that didn't work at all. Oh, God, Prompto, I'm sorry. Phoenix down. Took everything I had to beat him the last time. Alright. Alright, let's go. Okay, that hurt. Oh shit! Oh, he hurts, he hurts, he hurts. Oh, can somebody please get me up? There we go.
Gladiators looking around the palace. Agnes! We must regroup! Okay. Yep. Are we doing?
Oh, I dove right in that. Oh shit, 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 shit. No, get out of there. Get him, get him, get him. Oh no, everybody's. Oh shit. Oh, we're out of Phoenix Downs. Shit, I gotta wait for one more person to go down. Can you get me up? Okay, now's the time. Mega Phoenix. Maybe. Wait.
Looking out!
Oh god. Get out of here. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Okay, Mega Phoenix. Brings all fallen part. Yeah, Mega Phoenix. Do it.
Hey, Agnes! Instructions! Everyone regroup! Uh-huh! See your prayers!
Okay.
Certainly didn't expect this much trouble.
Oh god.
Just keep it together, Prompto. Right there! Could be worse. Agnes! We must regroup! Look good. He must be poisoned. That's great.
Heard poison. Okay. We're on our own for a few minutes. Oh shit, 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 shit. Oh, I don't like it, I don't like it, I don't like it.
He's looking pretty rough.
Okay. Oh no.
Must be some kind of toxin. Hey, Ignis! Everyone regroup! Right here! Yep. not looking so hot. Is it poison?
Oh god, I'm poisoned. Okay, Gladiolus, get that into you. I need your help more than ever now.
Thanks. Spaced out a second.
Everybody.
Don't. Got it. Happens to the best of us.
Okay, let's finish this.
Ponto, you're up.
Nice, we did it!
Too close for comfort.
I'm
Picked up and
comfortable
ran
just
me.
being
And it's
alive.
daytime! So we killed 2 iron golems. Sweet. Just gonna keep fucking those guys up. Costs a lot of money though. God damn it.
Time to go.
All right.
It's really not worth driving around at night. That's crazy.
Oh, I know that. That's the old meteor.
It is, and it's still burning to this day.
Powering all of Lestalem in the process.
Shit.
Really?
Not unlike the crystal in the Crown
Oh,
City.
animals.
Suppose that makes
What's up,
sense.
guys? Crazy. Okay, so in case I didn't make this clear at the start of the video, we're actually on our way to meet Iris, Gladiolus' sister. Oh, it stopped raining, finally. We can put the top up. Or down. Shut up. Alright, let's go see what's going on here. We gotta meet Ignis. Iris. Sorry, Ignis is our guy.
They've got cup noodles outside the city. All right.
Might be worth investing in a few servings in the event our pantry runs bare.
One hell of a crowd.
Well, this must be the main thoroughfare.
Main photo.
She's at the Laville. Let's go.
Okay. Where's that at? It's probably down this way. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, it's a coffee shop. Nice. Oh, it's a rest spot too, which is important.
Whoa! Did you feel that?
You mean the earthquake?
Oh, what's this?
What's wrong?
My head just started throbbing. You all right? Yeah, I'm fine.
Huh?
Let's move on. Noctis is just going a little crazy. We're good.
Gladdy!
Iris.
Look at you guys holding your own out there.
Holy shit.
What can I say? You look good.
Oh, we got another
All things
magic flask.
considered.
Sweet.
You guys are staying here, right?
That's the plan.
When you have time, we have catching up to do.
Sure.
Prompto's got himself a girlfriend.
Jared and Talcott, is it good to see you?
Prince Noctis! Iris is safe with me.
Please excuse my grandson. He has yet to learn his manners.
I like it.
Your Highness is very kind, but we shan't impose.
A very good night to you, Your Highness.
Alright, so what's the game plan? How do we get back our hometown?
So, Iris, what was it like inside the Crown City?
Not pretty. The Citadel took a beating.
Oh, wow.
But a lot of outlying neighborhoods made it through in one piece.
The Empire had tactical targets in mind.
You know, if there's anything else, you can ask me.
Yeah, thanks. What?
So, about Lady Lunafreya, I keep hearing she was in town. Apparently she left right away, but at least it means she's okay.
Good to hear. Thanks.
His poon's still
Yeah,
alive.
well, get a good night's rest.
Yes, ma'am. We got some leveling up to do. Dun, 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 dun. Nice. Nice. Oh, geez, that was some decent levels. Prompto, random selfies. Okay. Oh, we gotta keep the picture of the chocobo. Save this photo, yes please. Oh, you fucked up, Prompto. Yeah, there you go. Rocking out. I'll save that one. Oh, Jesus. Nice. Ah, yeah, I gotta keep one of her. I wonder if she's coming on our team after. Okay.
Morning, sleepyhead.
Hi.
Morning. Where is everyone?
Oh, they're out walking with Talcott. They went to see the sights. We should too.
Sure.
Sure. Why not?
Great. I'll show you around.
It seems your patience was rewarded. Enjoy your walk, and please take care.
Alright, lead the way.
For our
woman.
first stop, we'll check out the marketplace.
Ooh.
Follow me. Right this
Maybe
way.
I can sell some junk. Alright. Oh, hey, where are you going? Why are you running? You're crazy.
It's even more beautiful out here at night.
And Octus is like, meh. We taking a left? Yep. Alright, tell me about the market.
This is the Partella Market. You can get almost anything here. Isn't it great? I'd buy out the whole place if I could.
Back uninterested. Meh.
All these shops seem right up your alley.
You know me so well.
Oh, I'm getting XP for this at least.
Wow. Look at all this neat stuff. I'm gonna take a look. Give me just a sec.
Okay.
Done. Next, we're gonna see the power plant.
Okay. They don't they don't make materia there, do they? I would love some materia so I don't have to keep building fucking spells. I'll meet you there. Oh, she's running. Good. Oh. Debased coin. Debase, pump up debase. Come on, girl.
That's the power plant. The driving force behind
Oh,
Lasalam's
shit.
prosperity.
That looks nice.
But get this. Only women work there. As a matter of fact, women are the ones who do all the work in this town.
I'll encourage her.
Sounds like your kind of place. I can see you doing well here.
I think so too. It's so different from home. I was surprised at first, but I like it. All right. Next, we're going to the Outlook.
Okay. Let's go.
I'm a city girl, but I dig the rustic charm.
Huh?
He just sounds like he doesn't give a shit. Meh. Meh. Oh wow, this place is nice. Imagine how long it took the developers to make a place like this.
You would totally
Jesus.
love the drinks in this place.
Would I?
Alright. Going to the pier? I'll meet you there.
Imagine taking one for a spin.
Oh, yeah.
Pegler Outlook. Amazing view, right? Look, there's the meteor. You know, Noct, this almost feels like a date.
Oh, Jesus.
If it were, your brother would kick my ass.
We better keep it quiet then. And besides, you
Oh, she
already have
wants the
Lady Luna
D.
Freya. The others are probably back at the hotel by now. Let's join them.
Okay, 2 ability points. Nice.
While the city's just boiling.
Alright. Alright, let's head back to where we were and find out what's going on.
The breeze feels so good. Let's see if the others are back.
Okay. Sounds like a plan.
Haven't had fun like this since we were kids. Thanks, Noct.
No problems.
No sweat. I had fun too.
You did? I'm so happy to hear that.
Nice. 500
Anyway,
XP.
the thing I bought today, it's for you. But
She
it's a
definitely wants the
surprise,
D.
So you're gonna have to wait.
I don't like waiting for surprises. Complete. A stroll for 2.
Hey, look who's back. Talcott, go on and tell him what you told me.
You got it.
Oh, come now, show some respect.
Whoa, no need to respect me. I'm not royalty.
So, there's this legend about a sword, and the sword's supposed to be behind a waterfall nearby.
It may well be one of the lost tombs.
Oh,
Check it
nice.
Sure. Thanks for the tip, Talcott.
Find the cover
You're
behind the
welcome.
waterfall. Sweet. Oh, there's a couple side quests here. I'm going to pick them up real quick before I get too far out, just in case we can do them on the way. How are we supposed to get down there? Oh, this way. Alright, boys, let's go. Okay, time to be careful, peeps.
So when the ground shakes, your brain aches?
Yeah. A sort of seismic shock to the system. Curious.
Item. I have a feeling that the headaches are being brought on by an unsummoned thing. Kind of like Ifrit or Shiva that are hiding in my brain. That's what I think, anyway. What is that? Is that a giant snake? The fuck is that? What level is it? Oh god. Can we get around him? What level is he?
Are you kidding me? That thing's huge!
Nope, 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 nope. Run, 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 run. This way. Let's get the fucking... That's level 50, man. No thanks. Okay, there's the... Ooh. The waterfall. Giant crabs. Level 18. I can take those. Okay, come on. Oh, Jesus. They hurt. Harry, you're fucked.
On top of it!
Nice. Alright, it's go time, peeps. Alright. Gladius.
Watch this!
Nice. Nice, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. Fuck him up. Nice. Let me break.
What's the best way to hurt these things?
Another crab, one more.
It's
Nice. Maybe if I get him from behind, blind strike. Nice. And there we go, boys.
What's what?
I've come up with a new recipe.
Crab meat.
I could taste test for you.
Ghost peas. Nice.
Lights on, guys.
All right.
Oh, it's starting to
That's
get
it.
nighttime. I
What's
like
what?
that.
I've come up with a new recipe.
Another one. Nice.
I could taste test for you.
Got a whole bunch of new food. God, there's stuff everywhere here. Chrome bits. Nice. Alright, here we go. How do we get around this? Come on, guys. Get out of the way. Okay, how are we supposed to get across this? Oh, gotta go up. Are we? Oh no, did we go the wrong way? That's the waterfall. God damn it. Oh, there's a way up here. Okay. I thought I was about to get real pissed. Here we go.
The legend says to look behind the waterfall.
What does the waterfall say?
I think it says, come in. Wouldn't you know it? An entrance.
Looks like the legend.
This place gives me goosebumps.
Okay,
Double back for our
we're finally
coats?
here, so we're
What's
looking
the
for a
point?
sword behind the waterfall.
Well, looking on the bright side, maybe the cold keeps the demons at bay?
because monsters like warmth.
Ah, sarcasm. But what if they're frozen?
Encased in ice. Waiting for something warm to pass by.
And then they jump out! And there's our warm.
Oh, shells. Nope. Oh, they're weak against everything. Oh, shit. Okay, so they must be... Okay. Pause, elemency, fire. There we go. Okay, we're good. There we go. Fire is the way to go.
Hello, Mr. Nice Guy!
There we go. Oh, maybe lightning's the way to go with those guys. Alright. I'm gonna have to switch over to elemency. Thunder. Okay, equip. Yes, please. There we go.
Onward.
Heading down a
it.
slippery slope? Whoa!
Down we go.
Oh god.
Say your prayers. Humans love deep pits. Let's get it over with.
Okay, stasis. Let's get some elixir going here. Oh. Oh yeah, we're coming to fuck you up. Nope. God, these guys are fast.
Chop chop.
There we go.
Can't stop now.
Pumped up.
Get him. Nice.
I'm impressed.
What?
My hand slipped. Not good to throw daggers in the fire.
There we go. Get it. There we go.
Oh, I got an ice cream headache. Without the ice cream.
Yeah, it is kind of chilly in here, isn't it? Alright. Let's see
I
where we're
really
going
hope
here.
we didn't come here for nothing.
Oh, another
I'm sure
slippery
there's
slope.
something if we look.
Oh, here we go.
Really?
Oh, Jesus. Oh, what is this? He doesn't give a shit about lightning. Get him, get him, get him, get him. Oh, he's electricity.
Over there.
I think we might be winning.
Status ails all too fucking. Oh, God. Okay. Switch it up. Oh, the electricity is real. Oh god. Get off me. Get off me. Get me out of here.
You're on fire today.
There we go.
No big deal.
Arachne. Okay. That was terrifying. Oh, we got some ice crystals up here, I think. Is that what this is? Nice. Okay. Got anything going on over here? Alright.
I'm going
got
all
more.
out.
Just don't get too carried.
She'll want to talk.
Oh, geez, there's so many of them.
Well, here we
Okay.
are. I'll give him that.
Oh god. Oh god. No. Nope. Nope. Come on, come on. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. Just fix one and keep moving.
You swing that thing!
I'm swinging it at them.
What can I say?
There we go.
How many times?
Enough talk. Time for some action.
More? I'm ready for that.
Gladio's looking rather pallid. Just great.
Nice. And done.
Nothing to it.
Okay, we need to get up there. How do we get up there? Go back around. Oh shit.
What?
Oh, there's still more stuff. Fuck yeah. I love stuff. Okay. So I think we're gonna go up this way and through here.
Watch your step.
No more slip-ups.
Oh yeah. If we fall, I'll probably break my neck and the game will be over. Fuck yeah. Oh, fire crystals. Yes, please. I think it's time to make some fire spells. Okay, element C. We are going to make fire. There we go. Let's craft more. Sweet. Alright. We got some fires. Alright, take your time, boys. Take your time.
Yeah.
Fire for the win!
Done in a minute.
Oh, Mr. Nice Guy.
Those gels look awesome.
Not good to throw daggers in the dark.
Sick.
Be nice to brighten things up in here.
Yeah, asshole.
Let's go.
So, the glaive is through here?
Most likely.
Let's see for ourselves.
Some more lightning stuff. Thank you. Oh, wow, we're still a ways away. Oh! What is that? Ow!
Well, here we are. That's crossing the line.
What the fuck is going on? Who is this guy? A Ronin? Oh, can we regroup yet? Oh god, get out of here.
Hey, Ignis.
We must regroup! Sure.
Okay.
You're mine.
Alright, here we go.
Worry about yourself.
Keep fire. Nope. Get out of here.
Expect any less from you.
Ow! This guy's hurting. Ruby light. I don't know what that means.
How are we? Getting by.
That was sick.
Where'd you learn that one, Knock?
Put it in the books. It's history
Nice.
now.
Alright, we got a remedy. Okay, can we get around this without falling? Nice. Proceed. Everybody good? That Ronin was crazy.
I'm freezing. Oh, what I wouldn't give for a hot bowl of soup.
Nice bowl of soup.
Soup.
Nice cup of
We're
milk.
almost there. We gotta be, right?
I could not tell you. Okay, what do we got over here? Did they teleport to the other side again? Oh, what is this? Oh, God. Okay, let's get our spells up and running, because I know we're going to need them. Okay. Wait. Elemency. Let's make some really good lighting. We're gonna put it on you. You got Drain Lance going, so you're good. There we go. Alright, let's try that. Alright, we're all equipped, ready to go. Keep your eyes peeled.
We're there.
Oh, I knew it. I knew it.
Easy. Never. Where's the fun in that?
Eat that. Oh, Jesus. Hey, 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 no touchy, no touchy.
Say your prayers.
Get the minions first. Nope, nope, nope. There we go. Oh, God, that was right in the face. Help me up, guys. Oh, we don't have enough for a regroup. Elixir, give me it. I need it. I'll get in there.
That's crossing the line.
Sorry.
Alright, we need to regroup pronto. We need to regroup. Ignis, regroup.
Everyone regroup.
There we go. Okay, get the imps. Oh shit, 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 shit. Let me go, let me go, let me go, let me go.
Gotcha.
Fuck in here. Oh. There, we got a blind side. Okay, get in again, boys. Okay. Oh man, there's more of them.
Say your prayers.
Oh, I'm confused. Oh, they confused me. No, get off me, get off me, get off me.
Oh, hi there, opening.
There, we got rid of the little minions.
No point going on without you.
Oh, he's having a great time. He's having a great time. Get him from behind, get him from behind. No, apparently he fucked me. Potion. There we go.
Watch yourself, Knocked.
I know.
I was gonna cast a spell and he fucked me. Look at that. Okay. Fully restores HP and MP, regenerates on it. Yeah. Okay. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Get him, get him, get him.
And we're done for.
Just keep it together, Pronto.
There we go. Thank you. Thank you, Pronto. What is happening? Why is this locked? Gladiolus, do it. Pronto, do it.
That's crossing the line.
Oh, hi there, opening.
There we go. Get some good damage going on here. Oh, he's having a great time. Why is he so fucked?
Just barely hanging on.
That's not my
Afraid
fault.
break time's over, buddy.
I thought I was a goner.
There we go. Get him down. Get him down. Regroup.
We must regroup. Sure.
Oh, I love that regroup. It's so nice. Oh.
Pull it together, champ.
I know.
Oh, I'm confused. Oh, no. Oh, God. He's got me again. This is fucked. Why is this happening? Oh.
Up for more.
Thanks, man. Oh my god.
Keep it together.
Oh, I'm getting stuck up against the wall and I can't see shit. Alright.
Everyone regroup.
Okay. Yep.
Alright, let's fuck him up, boys.
Guys are no joke.
No, I'm not.
Just fuck him up. Fuck him up. Oh
Nice knowing you
no.
guys.
I gotta stop using these elixirs. Oh, I got a high potion. That'll do. Oh, and that heals everybody. Parries for the win!
Does this mean we can go back outside?
Nice.
That was a close one.
That was a close one.
for comfort.
That was a bitch of a
I'm
fight.
comfortable just being alive.
Alright, let's see what kind of a weapon we get here. Oh, it's a spear. Nice. Oh, that's not a spear. What the hell is it? Is that a bow? I got 3 pieces of it, whatever it is. Awesome. Noctis can conjure the Armiger, his arsenal of royal arms when the circular Armiger's bar is full. The bar is filled, Noctis attacks and defends, and all his abilities are strengthened while royal arms are active. Oh, it's an overdrive, so left bumper and right bumper at the same time. The Nexus has been added to the atmosphere. Spending AP points will power up your arsenal of royal arms. Nice. Alright guys, I think that's where I'm going to leave the episode there. I'm going to try out the ultimate abilities probably in the next video, so thanks for watching. If you want to see more Final Fantasy, leave it in the comments below. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!